So this is the Costa Brava trailer park. But these are some fancy trailers. They're smaller travel trailers, but they built them up with palapa roofs, and it's really cool. Looks like they have a cool clubhouse area for barbecues and hanging out. So I just talked to a couple of nice people, one guy from Oregon and one lady from Colorado. They're both here full time. They both said they've had their trailers here for years, and they used to go back and forth, and when they finally hung it up, they moved down here full time. The one guy is a traveler. I was telling him I'm heading over to Thailand. He said he's been there many times. He just goes back and forth. This is his home base, and then he travels to Thailand or Europe, wherever he wants to go. This is a real nice, relaxed community. I'm really liking this Las Barriles. It's just right around on your ATV. There's plenty of places to hang out in the small town. You got the beach right there. Try this kite surfing, fishing. I imagine there's good diving. This is really nice. And you're not far. I want to say 20 miles to the San Jose del Cabo airport, so you can get to anywhere in the world from there. And you go another 20 miles, so maybe 40 miles from here, and you have all the conveniences of Cabo San Lucas with Costco's and Walmarts and all the large stores. I'm sure there's larger stores in between. I know San Jose del Cabo has the Walmart and all. If you want a Costco, you're 40 miles away. Walmart, 15 miles away. Not bad. That's the main mode of transportation around here. Yeah, this trailer park is awesome. Really nice. Like it. These guys have these cool palapas over their travel trailers, and other people have built nice little condos right on the beach. So I was hanging out talking to the cable man, and he gave me the name of his buddy who runs a trailer park here in Las Barriles. He says a lot of Canadian people live here. Beautiful. The name of his buddy's trailer park is Ulysses. This appears to be a kite surfing, I don't know what you want to call it, a school, or they haul all the equipment down here, and there's 2 or 3 guys out there. It's a little bumpy, but the wind is howling. I can see why kite surfing is super popular here. Let's see a Cortez. Way off in the distance, that'll be getting towards San Jose del Cabo, and then you round the corner. That's where the airport is, and then you'd round the corner and get to Cabo San Lucas. Yeah, they got a nice rental set up right there, little trailer on the beach. Just pull your car up, head out on the water. This guy's coming out of the water. That kite's still howling. He probably started way down there and kind of blew his way down, and this gentleman is works for the company that he rented from. It's going to give him a ride back, I imagine. That's cool. He came and got him on the ATV, is towing him back upwind, I would guess, and then he can sail back this way. I don't know anything about kite surfing. It looks fun. Yeah, I like this place. You don't see too many people passing not waving to each other. It's large enough that it has everything you need. It's small enough that you know everybody. Plus you can ride your ATV down the street straight onto the sand. You can ride your horses on the beach here. There's whale watching. All kinds of things to do in Los Barriles. Now it's about noon and it's on a Tuesday, so it's nice and quiet, but plenty of cool little bars on the main street here. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So Los Barriles on the Sea of Cortez is home to some of the best sport fishing in the world. Marlin, every Dorado. It's just about 50 miles from Cabo San Lucas, maybe less. East Cape Tackle. Vagos Bar. I've been in there 3 or 4 times.